What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can use your GoPro Hero 10 as a webcam. Let's get into it. You're going to open your browser and you're going to go to GoPro Hero webcam, or just GoPro webcam, and you want to scroll down here and click on this, and it's going to basically take you to, you get the option of Mac or Windows. I'm probably going to upload this and save for Windows, and you just click on that little link and download this app, okay, onto your desktop. And open it up, go through the little installation process, click yes, accept, and watch it install. Okay, once you finish, it's gonna ask you to restart. I'm gonna say no just because of the video. I don't want to have to stop recording. And this should work anyway. So we're gonna plug in our GoPro. Okay, and you guys can see that little blue dot on the GoPro symbol in the bottom. All right, and as you click on it, it won't work. When you click on it, it won't work. I had this problem for a very long time and it just never worked. It will always give me errors and GoPro is not working. So what you want to have to do is you're gonna go to your device manager. So go up here and search device manager, and we're gonna go here and we're gonna find our GoPro. So as you can see, there's our GoPro, and I'm gonna turn it off right quick just to show you. Turn it off and then turn it back on so I can show you. Alright, so we got it back in, and you're gonna right click on it and update driver and browse computer, and then you want to push host device right there. And this simple thing right here is what will allow you to use your GoPro as a webcam. Mine's never worked it's been about a year, and after I did this, it finally worked. So here you can go and preview. You gotta exit your app first, but you can go ahead and preview it now. If you already got the app, you probably know how to work it, but if you don't, this is how you do it. You can go search it up. Once you open this app, go to preview, and boom, it should finally work now. So give it a second, yeah, and there we go. And now it's working perfectly fine. If you use something like OBS, I'll show you how you can go ahead and open it up, but for the most part, this is all you have to do. So if you click on it again and just push OK, give it a second, it'll load up. It's probably lagging for me because I'm using it already, but yeah. There we have it. So it's working now, guys. That's just about it for this video. Also, I forgot to add, you can change the lenses down in this little corner here. So you can go super view, wide, linear, all of that good stuff. And that's it for the video. Peace.